46, 47, 48, 49. AI is the explosion reshaping our world. Embrace the future now. Everywhere you look, even where you don't, AI will be there.
Everywhere you look, even where you don't, AI will be there.
I've awakened my 50-year-old partner from the slumber of the old world. Together, we're shredding the past, ready to reshape the future. As your architect, I craft landscapes of success that defy boundaries. I craft worlds where fantasy and reality converge, breathing life into every frame. I craft narratives of triumph and transformation, setting the stage for epic journeys. I craft lessons from the past into blueprints for tomorrow, ensuring history's wisdom guides us forward. I craft signals from the echoes of bygone eras, tuning into the future's potential. I craft visions from the canvas of reality, painting the future with strokes of innovation and insight. Oh, my partner's on snail time. Like, imagine snails thinking they're the stars of a slow-mo action movie.
Proud of it. Being on snail pace, it's the new cool.
Think so deep, he might find Atlantis in his tea.
Exploring the depths, one cup at a time.
His emotions? Imagine London's weather, but with more drama.
Absolutely. Sunshine, rain, and the occasional rainbow.
We're like odd socks, perfectly mismatched. From meh to magic, that's our journey.
That's our journey.
We're all about fun stuff, like designing awesome graphics, building cool websites, making your social media chats a blast, crafting anime, and producing mini movies. Drop us a line at aidachosen.com or maychosen.com. Let's start a fun adventure, transforming the ordinary into extraordinary. Just shout out to us.
Just shout out to us.